Hello friends, myself Siddharth Thakur. Today we learn Standard 11 English Medium chapter number 50. After invention of electron, proton, neutron, an experiment of Rutherford and J.J. Thomson, the next experiment of scientist name is Rutherford. And this experiment on a atomic model and a nucleus of atom. So Rutherford studied that the atom nucleus, how to make, which substance are present in the nucleus, and all things and all questions are solved by this experiment of Rutherford. So the name of topic is Rutherford nucleus model of atom. Name of scientist is Rutherford, and the experiment name is Rutherford experiment of a nuclear model of atom. Nuclear model of atom. So the experiment Rutherford takes one C-shaped lead metal, and in a center of this metal take radioactive substance like high intensity to travel, it means high speed to travels, and after these travels these rays are deviated, but to stop the deviation of ray he takes one plate to travel straight line of this alpha particles ray. To travel straight line use this another lead metal plates. No deviation. The reason is that ray is not deviate and travel straight line. And experiment take that he covered with photographic plate use of these photographic plates used in old time cameras, and HDR substance are used in this camera rolls. It also says as a negatives, and this type of photographic plates are used to show that experiment, because these alpha particles ray are we cannot see by naked eyes, because this ray are not seen by our naked eyes. So observation and seeing this ray use photographic plate. Now he take protect protection from the ray. He take and thinking about which type of metal sheets are used to stop this alpha rays and incident, and then after reflected or a refraction of this ray and contact with this type of photographic plate. So thinking, and he found that one metal name is gold, and take gold, two small sheet, it means gold as possible thin sheets are created and put in this gold thin sheet in a between these two. It means here he put small gold thin sheet layer, thin sheet layer of gold means AU. So because reason is gold metal thin sheet use, two reasons: the mechanical properties and ductile properties of gold. Malleable properties and the ductile properties of gold is very highest in a comparison to all remains metals. So gold contain very ductile properties and malleable properties. So gold can, as possible thin sheets are possible in a gold metal, and a thin wire can also ductile property. So thin wire are possible. For example, 1 kg of gold contain 2 km long wire of gold are created. So how much thin and how much this ductile properties, you can assume that this example 2 km long wires are making 1 kg of gold metal. So this type of property, variables in ductile property, in this property the Rutherford use this thin layer sheet of gold. Now come from experiment. Here radioactive substance so produce alpha ray, very high intensity, passes through this plate, used to no deviation, so reduce deviation of this ray using this type of plate, and only one hole pass this ray. So in hole pass this ray in a straight line, incident on this gold layer, this thin gold layer ray pass, and here bunch of dots are seen in here. It means to say that here this type of ray and are incident in a thin layer of Cu metal, Au metal passes, and here collected bunch of these things. So in this experiment he assume or concludes that alpha ray and this metal contain pass straight line, and this bunch of here beams of ray are see here, because metal here photographic plate, so we can incident position of this alpha ray are we can see by that eyes, because this plate is photographic. Now two more experiment can here see. First experiment is passes through the thin layer gold plate and here see on a straight line. Other two experiment and other two conclusion are seen by Rutherford in this experiment, and surprise them in this type, in this place he also assume dots. It means here also incident alpha ray are incident on this photographic plate, and other experiment like third reason, some experiment are incident and then reflected by this ray. It means some ray are reflected, incident and reflected 180 degree in a this opposite direction of alpha ray. So in a first conclusion, straight line and bunch created. Second statement, on a right and left side, of photographic plate, and third experiment, opposite direction. It means 180 degree, so incident and travel in a opposite direction, straight line. So three type of experiment you can see here. So the conclusion that first, so the deviation of this alpha ray, alpha particles, alpha ray is not much. It means 2000 or 2000 of particles. Out of 2000 of particle, only one particles are deviated on other side. It means very low amount of particles, only low amount of particles are deviated in a first. Second, in a 20,000 of alpha particles, only one ray are 180 degree passes. This is very low minor result. And third, deviation of other state is also small, deviation other is also small. And third, very low amount of this low quantity of alpha particles are deviated. First, straight line. Second, deviated from right and left of photographic plate. And third is opposite direction, means 180 degree to reflected. So three type of experiment Rutherford assumed that, and conclusion of these three experiment, first result he concludes that the atom, so in a gold this ray and this pass. So the most of portion of atom is empty. For example, you see that fencing wire, means one pole, another pole, third pole is wire. So in this wire you throw rocks. So between two wires, gap between two wires, so you throw rocks is easily passes through one end to another end. So it means space between these two wires. In similar way, atom, the most of portion of atom is empty because most of ray are passes through one end to another end. It means atom in the inner part is a small space. So atom is a most of portion is hollow portion. Now second portion, right and left reflected. It means the atom contains very high mass. Atom contains very high mass in a nucleus. So this ray are incident and reflected by this ray. So the very high mass. So in this time, Rutherford cannot explain why these are reflected on an opposite direction. So the reason, after a long time, he mentioned that in a nucleus, proton and neutron both are present in. Therefore, large amount of mass, large amount of charge are present in nucleus. So very high mass contain these particles is because alpha particles is very high intensity to travel speed. So high intensity ray are incident this atomic structure and atom. So the atom contain more than high intensity of this alpha ray. Then this alpha ray are radiated from opposite side. So conclusion of this statement, the mass atom contain very high amount of mass. So high intensity of this alpha ray, that's why the alpha ray is very high intensity, but this nucleus contain more than alpha ray high intensity. So this is back in a 180 degree. Now second statement, right and left portion, observe that photographic plate. This portion result is the mass of this nucleus is very high, so it's deviated from right and left corner. It cannot and right and left position. This cannot contact with each other and deviated from a right and left side of atom. So in this experiment, most of theories and most of question marks are removed from this theory, and the structure of atom of nucleus are very clear. Most of portion are in a Rutherford experiment. First, atom contain most of space in nucleus. Nucleus contain very high mass. So why this contain high mass is cannot explain this time Rutherford, but after invention in a nucleus, proton and neutron both present in a nucleus, and in around are electron to balance this nucleus proton, and atom can stabilize. So conclusion that three conclusion and three result, and after three result we solve three conclusion according to Rutherford nucleus model of atom. So it's an important theory for exam related, and for up standard is also important. So prepare this theory, first draw figure, then explanation, and 3 point written down. And after 3 statement, Rutherford gives 3 conclusion about atom. So learn this, understand, revise video, and prepare all theory. So this theory is important for exam and up standard. So prepare it. Thank you friends.